Yo people, welcome back to another vlog. As you know, we've been in Antalya. So let me guys give you a room tour of our hotel room. Let's go, ciao! Okay, so this is the entrance door, our hotel name, room 306. You've got a key card, so let me put this down here and the magic door opens. Ta-da! Okay, this is the room. Over there you can see me, and I'm now gonna put the card of course in the basket. Shall I turn on the lights? This is a glimpse. Let me turn on the lights, then I think you can too see it better. So let's go. Okay, on my right side you've got the bathroom. So shall we go straight inside the bathroom? Okay, this is the sink with the stuff. These are obviously our stuffs, and these are from the hotel. What do we see here? This is a hair conditioner. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Yes, this is a hair conditioner. Another hair conditioner. Let me see what is this. This, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's a shampoo, and I have no idea what that is, but it doesn't matter. Okay, anyway, you've got a mirror. You've got two closets. Obviously they're empty at the moment, and you can see toilet paper as well, and you've got some drawers downside here as well. Yeah, obviously it's empty because we're not putting any stuff in here. This is the toilet. Yeah, basic, but I think it's alright. Yeah, you only need to do some shit. Anyway, okay, let me move on. This is the shower. Again, basic, but yeah, you only need to have a shower. That's it. Okay, let me close this. Now let's move on to the room. Let's go. Okay, now let me move on. So, ta-da! This is the room. Yes. Okay, so this is the glimpse. Let me guys show you. You've got, obviously we're with for 4 people, so you've got 2 single beds, 1 double-sized bed, and we've got 2 chairs, of course, a table, a nice TV. I must say it isn't a smart TV, so we're not gonna watch a lot of TV anyway, so that's fine. You've got a small fridge as well, and you've got a big drawer with a big mirror. Hi, that's me, guys. Yeah, these are the beds then. And besides beds, you've got a phone. I don't know who we need to phone, but this is, I think, one of the important things you need to have. AC, of course. A nice scenery. Again, a double-sized bed. And this is the single-sized bed. You've got a lot of space. The room is quite big, so that's nice. This is a closet. If you got money, then you can put it in here. And if you do put it in here, please do let me know. Then I will have the money from you guys. Well, I'll take it. Okay, let me show you guys the outside then. Let me move the curtains away. Then I'll show you guys the outside. So this is the view from the outside. The door can get open, and can I go outside? I can go outside, and this is then the view. Let me guys show you. So it's a nice quiet area. You've got people who are living here as well, and you've got yeah, hotels as well. Somewhere around behind this tree is a car that I rented. So yeah. Right, people, that was it for the room tour. If you did like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you on to the next one. Take care. Ciao.